Let's start by drawing a fluffy cloud shape for the sheep's body. Add a round head with 2 big eyes, little ears, and 4 legs at the bottom. Now color the sheeps with light pink or cream. The face and legs can be beige and the hooves brown. Make the eyes big and shiny. Perfect! Our sheep looks soft and fluffy, ready to play in the meadow. Great job, you made a cute little sheep friend. First, draw a round head with 2 pointy ears and a big smile. Add a round body curled up like a ball, with a tail wrapping around. Now color the cat orange with darker stripes on its back and tail. The nose can be brown, the inside of the ears pink, and the paws light. Wonderful! Our cat looks cozy and happy, ready to take a nap. Well done, you made a friendly little kitty cat!